Why hasn't anybody else done this?
So it's complex, right? So you have the manufacturing side of it. You know, what are your options? Go to China and, you know, buy a pre-made laser, no support. You know, it's going to be, the quality is going to be iffy unless you have like a solid manufacturing plan, which takes, I mean, it took me 15 years to build that manufacturing plan, having people there, an office, you know, just being able to execute it that way. But then on top of that, you have all of the other pieces, because the laser, honestly, it's kind of like carpet cleaning, right? You have a carpet cleaning machine, but if you don't have everything else to run the business, you don't really have a business. You just have a carpet cleaning machine.
Right.
And so putting all the pieces together, but then making the machine, which is the most expensive part of the entire package, affordable, that's what makes it work. But that's really, really hard to achieve unless you can do it at scale. And all the other companies that have, you know, which is only a handful, that have started manufacturing laser cleaning machines have only taken the same approach of sell a really expensive machine. And franchising's hard.